Hi dear friends, in today's video we will talk about how you can make money through internet in 2022 and writing your future. If I talk nowadays, millions of people earn millions of rupees at home. If you also want to earn, then you must watch our video till the end. We will tell you the earning platforms on which you will start earning. So let's start the video without wasting time. Number 1, YouTube. Dear audience, YouTube is one such platform. Millions of people make videos and then upload them to make good money from YouTube. All you need is a mobile phone and you have to use your talent. Then start making videos and start your work from here without spending anything. Number 2, freelancing. Dear friends, freelancing internet is a platform on which you will receive orders from people all over the world and you will complete their orders and send it to them, and then they will send you money. You will find the freelancing course on YouTube. Learn the course, audio editing, web designing, graphic designing, creating animation, etc. All of these courses are also available on YouTube. Take your time and start your work by creating a freelance account. Number 3, sending products. If you have a business and you can make much money offline, so you can promote your business by sending your products to any place through internet. Join groups on Facebook and WhatsApp and talk to your customers confidently and send your products safely to him so that he can believe you and bring the orders back to you. Number 4, teaching. Dear friends, that's meant by teaching here is to start paid classes on Facebook, WhatsApp and YouTube. If you know a subject or a computer software, you can create a course series and start online classes and make money online by charging people a fees. So friends, these are just some of the ways in which you can make a name for yourself and money. Follow whatever you find easy and start today. Don't waste your time friends, because working hard is not an easy task nowadays. Today is the time of internet. Spend your time on it and enjoy it for life. Thanks for watching.